Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking the scope. Focus on insert chapters first because questions come from core concepts. Once chosen, decide format: one-page concept map speed recall, two-column Cornell AIDS testing. Use A4 sheets and 2-3 colored pens to code topics. That contrast improves memory. Begin with the first chapter. Write a single heading, then a 3-5-line definition. This immediate action sets structure and momentum. It prevents endless planning and gets you into consistent note-making right away. Once you have headings, compress content. Reduce paragraphs into 3-6 bullet ideas that capture cause, effect, and key numbers. Use symbols such as arrow for sequences and star for high-yield facts. That visual shorthand saves time. Add one clear diagram and label only essential parts so you can redraw it from memory. Then write a short mnemonic and 2 sample MCQ cues to test application. These steps convert theory into portable, test-ready notes that you can revise quickly. Finish each note by planning review. Schedule a 10-15-minute quick session daily, then at 3 spaced intervals to lock retention. Use active recall, cover the note and try to reproduce content because retrieval strengthens memory more than rereading. If you find a topic unclear, condense it to one sentence that captures the concept. Rework the diagram and mnemonic. A quick troubleshooting tip: when you get stuck, force a one-line summary. This exposes gaps and guides a focused rewrite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.